You're taking thyroid medications on the daily basis. You change your diet. Even you gave up gluten, but still you feel tired. You have low energy issues. You feel brain fog. You have hair thinning or hair loss problems. And your thyroid antibodies are still high. You are confused what to do. In today's video, I'm going to share with you that one hidden virus which is causing damage to your thyroid gland, and most doctors do not even check for it. And most thyroid patients are not even doing anything to address this hidden virus in your body. So today I'm going to share with you exactly what this virus is, why does it get reactivated and damage your thyroid gland, and most importantly, what natural methods you can use today to get rid of this virus and improve your thyroid gland. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people reverse their thyroid conditions by making personalized functional medicine plans. The hidden virus I am talking about is Epstein-Barr virus. Some of you might have heard that Epstein-Barr virus is associated with thyroid disorders, but you do not know the exact mechanism, how it does it. So this Epstein-Barr virus is present all over the world. Most of us gets exposed to this virus when we are teenagers. It is also known as infectious mononucleosis or monoinfection. Typically, it might give you some viral infection like symptoms like slight fever. In some people, this infection can last for a week or longer and they can be really sick with it. But after giving you the acute infection, it lays dormant in all of our body. But certain times, specifically people who have Hashimoto's disease, this virus gets reactivated. When this virus gets reactivated, it starts attacking your own thyroid cells. This attack raises an alarm in your immune system. Our immune system rushes in so it can tackle this virus. But in tackling this virus, it actually starts damaging your thyroid gland cells also. This is what we call as molecular mimicry. This is like friendly fire. When your body's immune system not only damages the virus-infected thyroid cells, but your healthy thyroid cells also. And that causes triggering of autoimmunity that leads to Hashimoto's disease and low thyroid condition. Now, here's the problem. When you go to your regular doctor and ask for a medication to treat this Epstein-Barr virus, they do not have a medication to get rid of this virus. This is where I have developed this protocol, which has helped thousands of my patients tackle this virus all naturally. Now, important thing to remember, once you get this virus never leaves your body. What we need to do is that when this virus gets reactivated, we need to retrain our immune system to make it dormant again. So that way it doesn't attack your body. Now let me first share with you what are the signs and symptoms that you might have a reactivation of this virus. So typically people will think that they will have a fever. Well, in reactivation there is no fever. Most of the time you will feel tired or fatigued, or you have low energy issues even though you're taking adequate amount of rest. The second sign or symptom is that if you feel you have swollen lymph nodes or you're constantly battling with sore throat issues. The third sign or symptom is that you feel body aches. The last sign or symptom is that you feel stressed out or anxious very easily. And plus, obviously your thyroid antibodies are still high even though you're doing everything to bring them down. So if you have any of these signs or symptoms, then you need to get tested for reactivation of Epstein-Barr virus. Now this is where another problem poses. The regular labs will only check for acute infection of Epstein-Barr virus. But in reactivation cases, that acute test is not useful. Now here's the second problem, that when you go to your regular doctors and ask for a test, they are checking for only acute infection of a virus. That test is useless in reactivation cases. So you need these specific blood tests to check for reactivation of Epstein-Barr virus. First, you need to check for these specific antibodies. One is IgG and IgM of VCA. Then you need to get EBNA IgG antibody. Then you need to check your early antigen, as well as, if it is a possibility, check your nuclear antigen antibodies also. This is what we call as a complete Epstein-Barr virus antibody panel. And this is what you need to get. And if these antibodies in this panel is high, that is signifying that you have reactivation of Epstein-Barr virus. Okay, now the next thing. You have signs or symptoms of Epstein-Barr virus reactivation. You know your antibodies are high. You want to work on Epstein-Barr virus. What you can do today? So let me share with you what things have shown in research studies to improve the reactivation of Epstein-Barr virus. First of all is improving your gut. Your gut lining, which ultimately causes leaky gut, is very important to fix over here, because without fixing the leaky gut, you cannot fix your body's immune system. So to fix your leaky gut problem, you need to have supplements which are high in L-glutamine, L-glucosamine, as well as marshmallow root and aloe vera. So make sure you're including these supplements. That is going to help fix your leaky gut. I have prepared this specific gut restore powder, which has all of these ingredients to fix your leaky gut. In terms of food wise, you need to eat foods which are high in prebiotics as well as probiotics foods. So that way you can fix your gut. Then there are certain supplements, natural ones, which are shown in research studies to improve the Epstein-Barr virus reactivation. One of them is what we call as EGCG. EGCG is an antioxidant which is derived from green tea. But in the dosage of 500 milligrams to 1000 milligrams, research studies show that it can stop the reactivation of Epstein-Barr virus. The two ways EGCG works on Epstein-Barr virus is that, first of all, it blocks the entry of Epstein-Barr virus into your cells. Second of all, it stops the replication of this virus. That's the reason EGCG is a very important supplement to stop the reactivation of Epstein-Barr virus. The second supplement over here is quercetin. Quercetin is another antioxidant, and research shows in the dosages of 500 milligrams to 1000 milligrams on the daily basis, it basically targets the cells which have been infected with Epstein-Barr virus and causes lysis of those cells, thereby specifically targeting and getting rid of those cells which have been infected by Epstein-Barr virus. The third supplement over here is curcumin. Curcumin in the dosages of 1000 milligrams to 2000 milligrams have been shown in research studies that it degrades the protein cells of the Epstein-Barr virus. By degrading the shell of Epstein-Barr virus, it exposes it to our immune system, so our immune system can easily get rid of it. The next supplement over here is olive leaf extract. Olive leaf extracts have certain chemical compounds which have shown that they rebalances your gut, get rid of parasites, as well as they are anti-infective properties specifically against the viral proteins of Epstein-Barr virus also. All of these combined supplements are helping in reducing inflammation in your body. This is where this Inflammapro supplement that I have created has curcumin, quercetin, ginger, boswellia, all of those things which not only lowers inflammation in your body as well as helps your body in fighting the Epstein-Barr virus. The link will be in the description if you want to buy it. First, fix your gut and then go towards this Epstein-Barr virus and attack it from all different angles by improving your immune system, reducing inflammation, as well as direct attack on the viral proteins. This is the only way you can really improve your Epstein-Barr virus issues. This is where some of the other supplements like zinc, selenium, little bit of iodine and adaptogenic herbs like either rhodiola or ashwagandha again supports your body's thyroid tissues and helps your thyroid to actually get rid of this Epstein-Barr virus. So make sure these basic supplements that supports your thyroid you also are taking when you are attacking the Epstein-Barr virus. This is where the thyroid balance supplement that I have created have good quality and the right quantity of zinc, selenium, iodine, as well as other herbal things that is going to support your fight against the Epstein-Barr virus. Here's a real-world example of one of my patients, a 37-year-old female who came to see me. Her Hashimoto's antibodies were 1200. She cleaned up her diet. She gave up gluten. She gave up dairy. She was already on an anti-inflammatory diet. She was taking thyroid medications, but still she had low energy issues. Her hair were thinning and she was losing her hair. Along with that, she had mood changes. She felt stressed out as well as anxious all the time. We checked her Epstein-Barr virus antibody panel and it lit up like crazy. And what we did was a stepwise protocol that I shared with you. And within 6 to 8 weeks, her energy has improved. Her brain fog went away. Her mood is much more stabilized. And more importantly, those antibodies which were 1200 are only 200 now. Now, it is not normal, these antibodies, but going from 1200 to 200 within a span of 6 to 8 weeks is a big win. And you can achieve this win too. So today I shared with you this hidden virus which is causing damage to your thyroid gland that you need to control today if you want to safeguard your thyroid gland, as well as if you want to reduce your thyroid antibodies. Plus, if you are looking to improve your energy, improve your mental clarity, lose some weight and reduce inflammation in your body, then pay attention to this reactivation of Epstein-Barr virus. Start the protocol that I've shared with you. So hopefully you can get your life back. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.